day 7. I am finally, I'm sleeping much better. Last night I was staying at a hostel. It was a bigger hostel, so we had 6 people in the room on the bunk beds, mixed men and women. I was wearing my earplugs and it was good. It was good. I had a good night's sleep. All right, today is supposed to be a very rainy day. It's supposed to rain all day. We're all prepared for a hard day, so we'll see how it goes. You never know with the weather, but the views around me are just stunning. I'm just enjoying this green, passing through little old villages which with super cute little homes, and seeing the coast and the mountains and waking up to the view of the mountains. That's priceless, and I'm very happy that I am able to experience that. Bon Camino! That's so cute. He went. So, my toe is still hurting like crazy, and I figured the problem was obviously because my shoes were too small. So I should have bought the shoes at least one size bigger. I did not think about it. I have never walked for such an extended period of time, every single day carrying the weight, and I think the biggest problem is the weight, because when I walk in the evening, like when we drop the bags and go and explore or look for a restaurant, I'm totally fine. I feel fine, don't feel my toes hurting. But as soon as I put the weight on me, it's like this extra pressure. So the tip is to buy shoes bigger, a size bigger at least, maybe even a size and a half. Some people buy 2 sizes bigger. So I had to buy new shoes yesterday. Yay! I got new shoes, and so now I have extra weight, my shoes in the bag, my old shoes. So we'll see how it goes. My toe is still hurting. It's beaten up, and I think ideally I should have given myself like a day break, a break day, rest day. And it's actually recommended, and a lot of people take a rest day from time to time, every week or every 5 days, depending on how you're feeling. Because yeah, it's no joke. Even 20 kilometers, which looks like nothing, but in fact with this weight, and when you're always going up and down all the time, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. And now I can guess what most of you are thinking right now. Walking the Camino in brand new shoes. It's a recipe for a disaster. Hello, blisters. And you would be right. But at this point I have no choice, and I definitely would not be able to do it in my old shoes. My toe turned purple and it's hurting so badly. I'm running on painkillers today. Today is probably the rainiest day we've had so far. It started raining 30 minutes after we started walking, and it's been raining on and off all day, mostly on. I'm totally wet. The poncho is not helping. My new shoes, which are waterproof, but unfortunately they can stand to 25-30 millimeter of rain. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. It's the most gorgeous view ever. Look at that. After walking for a couple of days with people, I kind of got, I don't want to be rude, but kind of got tired of having a company all day long. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is nice to share responsibilities when it comes to searching for accommodations and thinking about food options. But at the same time, it's my Camino, and the goal for me was to let go of all the attachments and go with the flow and just listen to myself, be with myself. Besides, when you're walking in a group, at some point you find yourself in a situation when you kind of have to find a compromise or adapt to the group, which I didn't necessarily want to do. You know, in every day-to-day life, especially when we have families, we do have to find compromises and adapt sometimes, but this was the point of my Camino, just to think about myself, be selfish, and just enjoy my Camino. So today I'm walking through this crazy rain all alone, deep in my thoughts, enjoying my own company. At some point I stopped for lunch and also to dry up a bit. I think it was my first time to take Menu del Dia, and I was surprised and amazed at the amount of food they brought me. And now back to the rain. By the way, today is a weird stage with not so many accommodation options, and I don't have any reservations. There's this one albergue that we're all trying to get to because it's on first come, first served basis, and I'm not able to walk any longer under the rain with my hurt toe. So I'm really hoping to get the spot at this albergue, which, by the way, turned out to be the worst albergue experience in my whole Camino.